and you're like 14 साल के लड़के के लिए मुझे hot हो रहा है, कुछ गलत है इसमें. So sad to be straight these days.
It's very sad.
It's depressing.
My top has come up. My tits are out in the women's compartment.
Excuse me.
I am not serving you food before you
Why
like.
were you serving him food?
Because we are living together.
I want to talk about this.
No. I like.
I knew from grade 6 marrying shit. Literally, co-ed does that.
Imagine you have $10 million in your account.
Yeah.
Do you still want him?
Bro, exactly.
He really like appreciated my cooking. Really liked it.
Wow.
Which is why I felt like.
Oh my god. You really thought that would make it better for me? He appreciated my cooking.
Yeah.
Who the fuck are you, Sanjeev Kapoor? We are all little babies in front of Bombay local. Sorry, Mama. I love you so much. I'm a good girl.
Hi guys, I'm Srishti.
I'm Zia.
Hi, I'm Sanjana.
And I'm Shriyam.
And we are Besharam. Shriyam's basically Beshriyam.
Woo!
Yeah, I like
yeah.
that.
Is
I
it
like that.
Shriyam? Is it Shri?
It's Shriyam.
Shriyam. But then your Instagram name says Shri.
Yeah, because nobody can pronounce Shriyam. Don't get me started.
What
Yeah,
does
I've
it
been called
mean?
Shrimun.
Shriman.
मत जाओ उधर यार.
क्या बोल रहे हो?
मत जाओ उधर.
It's one of these the most easiest names that people can find a way to fuck up.
But what does it
Shriyam
mean
is not
though?
even that hard.
Bro, my parents like the sound and now they're lying to me saying it means goddess Lakshmi. I don't buy it. Neither should you. I think it's just a sound, guys.
But your parents also had like 7 kids. They probably ran out at some
7?
Was
Girl,
it?
what do you think my mom is doing in her free time?
Where
I
are you
have
getting your
kids.
information from?
Yeah.
7
Did I?
kids. You made this up.
I made this up.
We are 6 kids in the whole house. I live in a joint family.
Achha,
my mom has
that's
3
why.
kids. My mom has 3 kids.
okay.
She's
Never
a
mind.
working
I'm
woman.
sorry.
She has no time to
I'm
birth 7
sorry.
kids.
Wow, that's really embarrassing.
I almost
I
for me.
love that for you.
I almost thought she
I'm
introduced
so
you to your siblings that you
I
didn't
know,
know.
right? I was like, what do you know that I don't know?
So you live with your cousins. I live with my cousins too.
Really, in Bombay? How's that?
We have 2 flats.
That makes sense. That does.
Makes sense.
A different floor, so it's not even
Awesome.
that joint.
Yeah. What is not even that joint family?
It's not
It's a disjointed
Same
family.
roof. You're not under the same
We're
roof.
not under the same roof. We sometimes have meals together. You know?
Fair enough.
It's like
I love that.
very chill.
relationship.
Yeah.
That's an awesome.
Yeah.
relationship.
It's like convenience joint family.
Yeah.
Yeah.
it is.
I
It
love
is.
that.
Thanks.
That's the
thanks.
whole of Delhi.
You should come.
to your house.
Yes.
I will be so glad. And then I'll tell your mom and ask her about her 5 extra kids.
Yeah. Actually, you should. That sounds like a plan.
Gang. No, that would make it 7.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Right?
But you should introduce them to yourself first
Yes.
before I start yapping again.
Okay, awesome. Hi guys, I'm Shriyam. I am very, very happy to be here with the Besharam ladies. Missing one because I have replaced her just for today.
We miss you,
Dhritika, you were missed.
We miss you, yeah. I mean, you're right there, but we miss you
Yeah.
still. Who am I? I am an enigma, I think. But for my job, I'm a content creator and I'm a yapper. I
Love
think
that.
You
guys
have a
can tell.
podcast?
I
Yes.
have a podcast, yeah.
Yummy.
You want to plug it?
Yeah, you know Kutti Jananis. I'm pretty
Yes.
sure.
Who
Yeah.
doesn't know
Similar,
Kutti
similar
Jananis?
audiences, guys.
Can
Matchy
we-
Yep.
audiences.
Welcome to another episode of Kutti Jananis.
I love it.
Did we get it right?
That
Yeah,
is
yeah. Very
so
close.
good.
Yeah.
That is
so
iconic.
musty, no?
Can you believe it was a whim?
I'm sure it was a whim because
Right?
the tune of it is something that you pull out of your ass and
I
it
know.
works.
It was just a
I
whim,
know.
guys.
I know. I could
I
tell.
woke up one day and I was like, song.
Ah,
Because
yes.
sometimes I know you do it too, and I have started doing it even more now. That I'll break out into a song while talking to my
100.
parents. Like a sentence, I'll just
Yeah.
make it into a song, and then
Correct.
I'm like, "Hey, this is fire, actually."
It slaps.
It does,
Why
it
is this
does.
fire?
I thought, I was under the impression that you both were probably sitting in the car doing one of the first initial episodes that I saw, and then you just came up with it in the car.
No, I had come up with the idea a year ago.
Huh.
I lied to Apurva to get her into the car. Made the first episode happen.
Oh.
It hit 4 million
Ooh.
views and then we started.
That was the one
Crazy.
things he did when we
Then
still
we
stayed.
stayed.
And
Yeah.
he has been doing things since.
Wait,
Oh my
is this,
god.
wait,
No,
you're
no,
with
I'm
the
not with the same guy.
Thank
Yeah.
fuck.
Yeah.
Exactly.
I'm 2 men down.
Two
Literally,
men-
2 men down.
You're at your third, right?
Yeah.
Huh, third time's the charm.
Yes.
He
Third
is
times a charm.
He is a charm. A very
Yeah.
tall charm.
I'm so happy.
We've seen snippets of him.
Yeah, his hand,
Yeah.
forehead, eyebrow.
He's got it all.
I keep it tasteful.
I love that. But is he like a private person or?
I'm private about him. He's also pretty private because he's a nerd. But I'm really private
best.
about it because I actually like this one, and he's not just arm candy. So I'm keeping him a bit
Nice.
on the down low.
Nice. I think
You
that's
should.
how you should keep it.
Right?
To be
Yeah.
very honest, the more you're gonna like showcase it for the world to see like how happy you are at that point, it gets ruined.
I know.
Yeah.
I
Why
know.
should
I remember
Shit-faced.
watching a video of yours like
Somehow.
last year where with your previous like proper boyfriend in it. Or was
Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah.
I don't think I posted anything with him. Maybe just a random
Bro,
guy did
I'm
it.
making things up
I know.
now.
You're like
I'm
obsessed with her.
Yeah.
Like, I'll give you the book.
I'll
Babe,
stop
I'll
only.
give you the Shyam biography.
You
can read
have?
Go
Is it a
through
New York Times bestseller?
It's gonna be.
I'm sure it is.
Once it's published.
One
It
can
has to
hope.
be.
Once it's out of my head, I'm sure it'll make the
Yeah.
list.
Yeah.
But I can give you some notes, talking points about my life, है ना?
Which are actually valid.
Right? I've
Yeah.
been single for a year, so I'm just like, who is she envisioning?
I'll stop talking only. I am embarrassing myself the more I
It's
speak.
fine. I love it. Pretty
you
girls are
do-
allowed to embarrass themselves.
Yeah.
I think that's okay.
Stop it.
Mm.
I needed that because
I
they've been
know.
bullying me.
It's okay, girl. I got
You
you back.
deserve it.
Yeah. I mean, but this weekend was really rough for me, you know,
Why?
because I've just been going through some personal shit.
What's your shit? Share it with me, Diva. I'm there.
Not on camera, but I like hearing about when people's weekends better than mine. And you landed in Bombay this weekend. What did you do?
I wanted to kill myself 13 times, and that's pretty much it. That's
Bombay
sums
was
my
your 13th
experience.
reason.
Yeah, Bombay was all 13 actually.
Okay.
Multiple reasons about Bombay made me want to kill myself, and I didn't do it, and I'm here, and
That's
lucky
insane.
eyes.
happy.
But you
Lucky.
lived here and you tried
Yes,
it, so you
yeah.
knew what to expect, no?
I have lived here for 2 years to work, and this time I came for Masti and work because now I'm a creator. I have access to cool things.
Yeah.
Noobs.
Shanti.
Yeah, but Lola was happening this week, and I'm not a music
person.
concert festival person.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
No, I'm not. I'm really not.
What I realized was everybody that I would have wanted to go with the week before was selling their passes on their stories,
Yeah.
and every other person that actually went
Mhm.
through a brand.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I don't know who the hell was there.
Well, it was just people doing their photo ops and coming back.
Yeah, exactly,
That's
exactly.
all I know.
Most people don't have manners.
I
feel.
agree.
Yeah, fully.
I was okay, so I was out with somebody and their friends this one night, and we were at this bar called Ghetto, if you've heard of it.
I have not.
Bombay में रहकर
You
भी
should
didn't?
come.
बॉम्बे में नहीं
Months.
रहती थी मैं.
But
मेरा बस बॉडी था यहाँ पे. माइंड और सोल मेरा कभी भी नहीं था यहाँ पे. Guys, please don't misunderstand me.
Well, I think like if you say Bombay, she'll take it as an insult.
To me, if you say Bombay girl, I might actually. I love you guys. You guys are awesome, and I love it for you personally. I like having a road. Sue me, kill me, kill me. Babe.
that's
Fair,
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 drive.
yeah.
Yeah, I
Fair.
can drive.
I can't drive.
I get that, but learn na. See how nice it is
Exactly.
to drive.
She drives.
I
She drives us around everywhere.
Yeah.
You don't drive in Bombay. You Ringo in Bombay, and she's Ringoing on the road. That is
Yeah,
what
I
is
am
happening.
fully. I am.
Yeah.
I get very irritated.
very
I do
frustrating.
a lot of-
Manners. People in Bombay don't have street road manners. Can I just say?
Like they jaywalking.
Fuck the jaywalking. There is no pedestrian crossing thingy. ठीक है, Delhi
Yeah.
also, I'm not saying we are some, saints of civic sense. We are not. We are very battamiz, very
Correct.
besharam. But Bombay, bro, you have no understanding of life can be lost on the street. I swear
Yeah.
this happened to me day before yesterday. I swear on my life.
I get your point.
Someone literally got hit by a cab, my cab, that I was sitting in, because, so for example, this is the cab and this is the guy. The cab wala is coming at a speed of 20. Bro, you can see him.
Yeah, you're like, let me not walk into
Yeah,
it.
you're just like, ठीक है भाई.
Today's my last day.
Literally, bro.
Yeah.
मैं बताती हूँ मेरे साथ क्या होता है. मैं चला रही हूँ गाड़ी, मैंने हॉर्न दिया है क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि वो मुझे देख रहा है. वो भागता भी नहीं है, वो चलता है, वो रुक जाता है
भाई
मुझे
तो,
देख के.
like,
रुक
what's
जाता
up?
है.
Why are you being deer in headlights?
They don't teach you to walk here. Like in schools, the way to learn.
भाई जगह ही नहीं है पर कहाँ पे चलेंगे?
One second. You didn't learn how to walk in school.
To cross,
To
right?
cross the street in school.
There
You
was
don't
no
learn
street in my school.
Babes, you don't learn this in school. This is called reflex. गाड़ी आ रही है, आप हट जाओ.
No, but that is true because where I live on the main road, so there's always like a lot of traffic, and I've always learned to cross on that road.
Yeah.
Okay, and I've always dodged traffic to the point where I'm like, fuck, I've gone and there's a cab that's gone, and like thrill. I like the adventure.
Near miss.
Thrill.
Near miss.
अरे
That's what I'm talking
जो
about.
गाड़ी चलाते हैं उसकी तो है ना
मुझे
ये
क्या?
bro. क्योंकि सब आके तो हमको ही मारने वाले हैं.
Yeah.
No, but then this one time, I was like, yeah, thrill. If my mom hears this, she'll probably get mad at me. But I walked into it and I was like, I'll probably go before the cab comes. And I reached here and the cab just like touches me and stops and everyone. This happened to me when I was like in 9th grade.
Oh my god.
And I was coming back from tuition in the night.
What's
Oh
with
my
your
God.
tuition? I am so confused
She
about
was
this
so
tuition.
lame. She was so lame.
She has had the most interesting tuition life. I'm sorry. I will defend you here.
And then I was like with my bag, I'm like, yeah, I'll be able to cross, I'll be able to cross. And this taxi wala has come and like, stood right next to me, and all the people that were waiting to cross were like, hey, ladke, sambhal ke. I'm like, guys, like, chill, it's not a big
Literally,
deal.
daddy, relax. It's not even that deep.
Literally
Like,
relax. And then I
Oh
very
my God.
nonchalantly was walking home. I was like, ठीक है,
no, but why carry you? Zero manners. Zero ethics, sense of life.
And you think Delhi walon ke paas ethics और
I'll
मतलब
tell
ये
you what,
वाली
if
है.
someone, like, I'm not saying Delhi is safe. I'm not saying Delhi air is clean.
Yeah, we know that.
I'm not saying any of this. You know,
Yeah.
I know my city and
Yeah.
I know its
Huh.
This
drawbacks.
is where.
What
Will I
time?
get stared at night? Absolutely.
Yeah.
You get stayed at here also.
Yeah.
Not,
More there.
Not that
Why,
much.
Delhi, you
Not
will
that
be
much.
reminded of who you are exactly.
Acha,
when
okay.
you get
Yeah.
down on the
I
street.
haven't been.
Don't come unless you have guide of Delhi.
Yeah,
I would
fair.
recommend.
Yeah.
It
So
is
you
scary.
come over to my house, I'll come over to yours.
Awesome, and we'll meet each other's siblings.
5 siblings.
verify the numbers.
100.
awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. But yeah, Delhi will swallow you whole. I get all that. But at least we have roads. At least it doesn't take 72 days to cross 4 kilometers. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah.
We have a lot of things that you guys don't.
Specify.
Safety.
Safety.
I
think-
am privileged. Okay.
So you are privileged. What about the people that are not privileged
I'm
in Delhi?
talking about myself, babe. Why I
Also,
don't
ठीक
like
है.
Bombay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then,
know, so
then your
it's- I
stance makes sense.
Right?
Yeah,
Then your
honestly,
stance makes sense.
It's the same way where if someone would try to convince us as much that, you know, oh my God, Delhi is so good.
Yeah.
In our bones, we won't believe it.
Exactly.
Right.
Yeah, true.
So I get it.
I just even wanted to say you that if you think Bombay traffic is bad, you should visit Pune. It's horrible.
It's worse than Bombay.
Yeah.
It is-
They don't
bro,
know how
I'm
to
not
drive.
going.
They
Bro,
don't.
it's a kachad. Like,
I'm not
and they
going.
don't even do anything.
They don't give indicators.
Oh yeah.
They don't wear helmets.
हेलमेट तो दिल्ली में भी नहीं पहनते इतना सीरियस नहीं है
Delhi
लोग।
just came out so much. दिल्ली में भी नहीं बनता है. So
हेलमेट
elsewhere.
तो दिल्ली में भी हम लोग तो बनाते भी नहीं है.
we don't even fucking make them bro दिल्ली आओ bro दिल्ली आओ literally bro like we don't follow road like rules or anything
But
like
you
I'm
just
not
have wide roads.
yeah wide roads that's why less buzzard I think that's
nice.
what it is
That's nice. But I was saying the thing that I was at that bar.
yeah
At Ghetto.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
I was at Ghetto. And I was with these like there was one girl and 3 guys, okay,
Mhm.
over there.
yeah
And this one guy is telling this girl something about the Madrid match last
Mhm.
night.
Mhm.
And I was like, this girl, say her name is Shweta. Okay. I'm like, Shweta, are you interested? Because she looked disinterested.
yeah
I was like, Shweta, are you interested in this? And then she was like, and then I was like, she does not want to talk about football.
Hmm.
And then he was like, no, but like you have to know. Like, and then he starts talking about football. I was like, the one thing that she does not want to talk about is football.
Yeah.
Why are you justifying football again? And that's a pattern that I've seen with like a lot
Men?
of men.
yeah.
Yeah.
No, but it's men with most topics पता है
Yeah.
Think so.
They
Oh,
sit
actually,
across you.
Yeah.
they will sit across you and all you are to them is a free therapist. I don't want to know why your mom hates you, bro. I'm sorry, I came for coffee. Like, I didn't sign up for this on date number 1. Hello.
True.
It's
You're the only
horrible.
woman I've said this
Very
to.
true.
Please don't tell me. I don't want to know. I don't want to be the only woman you're telling
Oh
this to.
Oh,
yeah, they do that a lot.
Yeah.
And then they have an obsession, and I don't know why they feel compelled to explain the obsession to you.
Exactly.
तुझे पसंद है पैडल तो तू जाके खेल.
मुझे क्यों बता रहा है
मुझे
bro?
मत बता तूने
Exactly,
कैसे
bro.
क्या किया, फिर कैसे हिट हुआ और फिर वो 6 कैसे मारा तूने.
I have never had an interesting conversation with a man in my life.
And
They
then
don't
they're
talk.
like, you know, you really make me feel like I can open up to you. You know,
I
You know
don't want
so
to make this a safe
much.
space.
Because
I don't want to make it a safe space.
This is not a safe space.
I'm literally the only person you're talking to.
That is sad.
बाकी अपने लॉन्डो दोस्तों के साथ क्या क्या हम बियर पी रहे हैं फिर उसके
Yeah,
साथ
that's an activity, bro. They do. It's
Yeah.
really alarming to
And
me.
it's
अरे कुछ नहीं हम क्रिकेट
all
खेल
they
रहे
do.
हैं
I was once okay. So I was at of a club, and these girls were pre-gaming. I don't drink, but
Yeah.
they're all pre-gaming, and there's one guy. It was like a group of 6-7 girls. You guys were also there.
Oh,
And
yeah, yeah,
outside
yeah.
high low.
Okay, yeah.
And I was talking to my friend Tanveer,
Yeah.
and he's just really. I'm telling him, see how like all of these girls are having different conversations. It's so funny to see, right?
Yeah.
And then he's like, अभी यहाँ पर लौंडे होते हैं तो हम लोग सिर्फ हंस रहे होते हैं. I said, okay, क्या बात पे हंस रहे होते हैं? नहीं, हम बस हंस रहे होते हैं.
Yeah.
Because just the sheer fact that they're drinking together,
pleasures of life.
they would just be laughing.
Bro, they just laugh.
It pains me to see
Yeah,
women
no.
go through so much.
Yeah.
You know, like on a daily basis. This is feminism, guys. These are the struggles we go through to watch men laugh on the streets.
Yeah.
Disgusting.
I know.
You know, I recently I had my younger brother. He had his farewell school.
Okay,
mein.
okay.
School farewell, and him and all his friends, they wanted to go for a drive.
Okay.
And then I was like, my dad was like, "Ki, I'm not letting them fucking drive
Obviously.
because they don't have license and everything. Why don't you take them for a drive?" And I was like, do I have to? But then I was like, okay, fuck it. If
Let's just
I
have
don't, they will go
Find
with
a way.
someone else,
Yeah.
and that's not safe enough. So then I took them, and then all these boys are sitting and they're just laughing full time. Then once randomly, one of the friends, they ask दूसरे फ्रेंड को, ही इज लाइक, भाई तूने आज खाना खाया क्या? तो दैट गाय इज लाइक, हाँ, क्यों? तो देन द अदर फ्रेंड गोज लाइक, तो क्यों खा रहे? एंड इस पे ये लोग 15 मिनट हंस रहे हैं.
And you were just there.
I was driving.
15 साल के लड़कों के साथ ये सब सुन रही है.
I'd leave them on the street. You know, I wouldn't even blink
उसका
twice.
भाई था यार.
जो मर्जी, मेरा भी भाई है 15 साल का, है ना? I say it with that knowledge in mind. On Carter Road, just go and have ice cream. I am done with your crap. Bye. I would not tolerate this in my car.
Honestly, if one of us said it, I would also be laughing for 15 minutes.
Really?
I feel like I'm being judged.
You are. This is also not that safe a space.
That's
babe.
not that safe, son.
It's not that safe.
that
You know,
safe.
we've just met, and I really feel like I am being projected to a lot of things I didn't sign up for.
Yeah.
Like and all. Sorry, mom, I didn't say it. You know, I didn't say it.
So you coming from Delhi, you don't cuss much.
A lot, just not on camera. Sorry, mama, I love you so much. I'm a good girl.
Even my mom asks me to take down videos if I'm cussing in them.
Right?
Yeah.
It's
Have you
marvelous.
clocked that I haven't?
Yeah, I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Neither have I. Have I?
No. You
No.
haven't. You're
Victories.
doing
It's
great.
just
You're
us
doing great,
against the
sweetie.
world, Shreya.
I know, we're good girls.
Great girls.
Great.
Awesome.
Yeah.
But speaking in true Mumbai local experience, have you traveled by the train?
Yeah, twice.
How was it?
Only twice.
Bro, twice to and from one place only, same day.
That's the most you could have done, no?
Did you buy a
Yeah.
ticket?
Bro, yeah. I got
Good.
the app and everything.
Whoa!
Yeah,
That is
bro.
big.
I did my
Big
research.
girl.
What do you
UTS.
mean?
UTS.
There's
I
an
almost thought
app,
it was
bro.
UTI.
I thought it was UTI as well.
There's a fucking app. I know all this. But yeah, I've
Oh.
traveled one time.
Mhm.
Not
Not
for
again?
you. No, girl. No. No.
Wow.
But why?
Bro, it's scary. I
It
got off at
is.
the
It
wrong
is. It is
station and I
scary.
was like, what the heck is a church gate? I was just here. Okay, first of all, the names don't make sense to me.
Yeah.
What is Mulund? I don't.
From Churchgate, you went to Mulund?
I'm just
Let me
telling
get
random
you
names.
this. Titwala.
That's what I don't get it, bro. Like, it's alarming to me.
There's a Titwala, there's a Bhando.
Yeah, there's an Ulhasnagar.
I mean, I lived
Yeah.
in Ulve. I can't say much right now.
You lived in Ulve?
I moved to Navi for a year.
Which is why you hated Bombay.
No, I
Yeah.
actually love Navi Mumbai.
No,
Nobody,
the commute. To
The
the places
commute.
that matter.
Yeah.
That's bad.
babe, no place in this city is important enough for me to travel 2 hours. I was living there with my dog and my friend, and we were having a
You
slow,
had a
wonderful
dog.
life.
That's nice.
Yes, it was wonderful.
That's sweet. Then
Yeah.
That's sweet.
Cute.
But yeah, the train, bro, scary. Very
Yeah.
scary. I could not do it.
Yeah.
Why are people climbing on each other? Why are you pulling someone's hair?
Yes.
I got shoved
Yes.
by an auntie who had clips. Bro, I thought you were sweet. You know, you
Yeah.
are selling hair hacks. What are you doing here?
You don't know what kind of clip you'll get, the hair clip or the clip.
Yeah, I know.
You just don't know.
bro, what you're betting on when you step on that train. It's only true Khatron Ke Khiladi.
I have had
I was standing for 45 minutes today, like before coming here.
Yeah.
Can't
Yeah,
do
yeah,
this.
yeah. I've had 3 horrible experiences in train. So there was this one time where I was coming back home from college.
Okay,
Okay, and it was at like 7:30, where like peak office crowd.
got it.
And I got into this side and I had to get out on the other side. And like at 7:30, all the women have like created a jhund and they will stand like a brick and they will not let you go. In this much space, you have to move your entire body.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. I have got in, and at this point, I am levitated. My feet are not on the ground. That's how fucking crowded it was. My hand was like held onto those bars, and I am passing, like people are passing by, and I'm just like, okay, going with the wind. And I was wearing a crop top.
Oh.
I'm not.
Were you in a
this
ladies'
is-
Rabba?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Thankfully.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Without a word of lie, my top has come up. My tits are out in the women's compartment. I have not felt this unsafe in a woman's compartment before. I had to somehow I managed to remove one hand and I'm like pulling my top down to cover myself from
Big
the
day for the
shame.
women's compartment.
Oh my god! I have shed a tear. For that day, and bro, don't ask me how I've gotten to the other side. I have been actually pushed. I was not walking at that point. I was being pushed by the women somehow, and by God's grace, I have reached the station.
You're fucking lying.
I am not. I am not, and that was a fucking fast station train.
Which one?
Fast
Virat?
train station. No, Ghatkopar, bro.
Ew. Shouldn't say that.
I have 3 questions. for
Yes.
you, Okay. Number 1, are you secretly Krish? Because you managed to do this. Okay.
Sanju, you have to pull the move.
You must, है ना? Salute
I
queen.
am.
ठीक है?
Thank you.
Genuinely. Number 2, what is a Ghatkopar?
That's a station.
It's a station.
That's like a fast train station.
Love it.
Yeah.
Love it.
Mhm.
Third and last question.
Mhm.
Are you okay?
I have actually been scarred for life.
I love that. I can give you my therapist's number after
Thank
this.
you.
Just for this one experience, 2 sessions, you'll be fit and fine.
Yes, I love that.
Ready
I
to
need that.
tackle
I
the
need
local
that.
again.
But the second experience, I has left a physical scar on me.
What it? No.
Have you
Aha,
seen
this I
this?
remember.
Why
You
are you
wanna see
guys
this?
defending this city to me? I don't understand. बच्चों को मार कर रही हो ट्रेन में बच्चों के
बच्ची थोड़ी
कपड़े
है।
उतार excuse me we are all little babies in
We
front of
really are.
Bombay local I cannot do this
Bombay local is big bad bro.
Yes.
Yeah, bro,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
scary.
Yeah, it is
Tell
very
me how
scary.
you got
But
this scar,
this
please.
time again at 7:30, I don't know why I'm traveling in local at 7:30. But
Because of work, son.
no, this time I did not. This was for pleasure.
Then it's on you.
Then it's on me. But I was like, listen, it's going to take too long by road, so I might as well go by train,
Okay.
like to save time and stuff. And at this point, I am not even kidding. I'm standing on my toes like this, not even like this, but like this. Like I'm a ballet dancer.
You're a ballet.
I'm a ballet dancer at this point. The whole train ride for 40 minutes, I'm standing like this. At this point, I can't feel my toes. True ballet dancer. I cannot feel any parts of my body. It's just me and my bag and my phone, like
Fuck
here.
off.
Okay. Again, I don't know when I ended up getting out, but while I was walking out of the station, I felt something cold over here. You know, when you get a cut, you feel like the cold breeze
yeah
runs across your skin, right? I was like checking. I was like, oh, I have a fucking massive scar here. And I had to take an injection the next day because that was
Could have
probably
been-
like from a metal thing.
bro no I've
And
heard
this
this fucking
entire
was it like a
portion-
straight line
Yeah.
bro I've heard this very scary thing about locals where there are guys
Yeah,
with
yeah, yeah.
blades
Yeah.
That's what her mom told her.
yeah,
Yeah.
bro I've watched a reel
What?
and I got very
Yeah.
scared
That's great source.
right? It's
Yeah.
literally cited sources.
Exactly.
Oh my God.
That is Gen Z's Facebook
Bro, where
actually.
someone went through like the whole ordeal of getting
Mhm.
cut by a blade or whatever.
That's really
and
sad.
her mom told her that this used to happen back in the day.
She was on the elevator, wasn't she? On the escalator or something.
If I had a memory like that.
Oh, sorry.
then
'cause
life would
I don't
rock.
know. Yeah.
But bro, this is scary.
Very scary.
guys.
Yeah.
Which station was it?
This was Ghatkopar.
Again?
Again Ghatkopar. Yeah,
What's
Ghatkopar is
wrong
hell.
with people in
Stop
Ghatkopar?
going to
It's
Ghatkopar.
hell.
Say that to the camera. We
What
can't
is
say
wrong with people in Ghatkopar?
That's insane.
Something is clearly
man.
wrong with you
'Cause
guys.
we live
Yeah.
here.
Oh, so
they
you
might-
can't say that?
Yeah.
We shouldn't.
We should
No.
not.
I will say it again. What is wrong with you guys? Why is she going through? Let a girl get off on the station.
please. And if it's Sanjana, like, please, you've gone through enough. I feel like they should give you grace. You should have like
I should have like 5
reward
minutes.
points.
I should have 5 minutes to talk to them. Be like, hey, this is what I've gone through. Do you still want to cut me?
Literally, bro, a bitch has had enough.
Please, I don't need to be cut also.
Yeah.
Bus,
In
bhai.
addition.
No, I didn't know about like the men with the blades on the.
Yeah. It's either the blade or like a pin.
Why do they do that?
Shits and giggles, bro.
Yeah, jollies.
Bro, because
Why
I
do
have
men do
never
anything.
I have never traveled in this thing like a crowded train, which is also why I have never had any of these experiences.
God's favorite child, sweetheart.
Fully.
God,
She literally
She
is.
literally says that all the
keeps saying
time.
She-
I love
I
that for you.
literally
I love a
is.
whimsical
She
baddie.
manifests that shit for herself.
Yeah. I keep saying stuff and I get it.
I love that.
Yeah.
Your smile is giving me the chills, bro.
I'm
Like
sorry.
you're looking
I'm
into
so
my soul. You don't blink.
Yeah. She's like, tell me what you want. I'll speak for you
What's
also.
I'm
Sun-
so happy. Why? Why?
Sanjana, Srishti, like Sanjana got a new job few months ago, and Srishti just
Congratulations.
got one.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Touch wood. But yeah, right now they're like in their prime
Oh,
because they have no men in their life.
I love this
And
era.
they are.
I'm so happy. I'm
And
like,
touch wood, I am so happy for them. You have no
Literally,
idea.
bro. Touch wood.
Like whenever both of them got a job, or like whenever I genuinely screamed.
Yeah.
yeah.
Awesome. How old are you guys?
22.
21.
Small baby.
That's what everyone says.
Little. No,
why?
I will maintain the decorum of my.
What is your
My
age?
sister's 22, so you
Aw.
can't be
Oh,
mad
your
at
little
me.
sister's here,
yeah,
no?
Yeah. See,
See,
you also did
cute.
this.
Because she looks like you always call her your little sister. That's why.
Because
That's
you
why
all are as
perception.
old as her. Now
How old are you, big
I'm
sister?
25, baby girl. I just turned 25. My frontal cortex is all here with you guys present
Oh
today.
my god.
Oh my God.
I'm
So
so happy for you.
Then tell me what
amazing.
manners tick you off.
Yeah.
then.
Yeah.
Manners, I
Like
have so
ill
many.
manners.
Ill manners.
People who have no manners, there are so
Yeah.
many. Number one, okay,
Mhm.
I've really thought about this.
Love.
If your breath smells, it's fine. You know, everybody loves garlic. We get it. We get it, bro.
Mhm.
And then I'm telling you, because I will tell you also.
Yeah.
Like,
Uh-huh.
no, your breath is stinking. Go and brush. I will
Uh-huh.
say.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then you're like, nahi. Bro, you are delusional.
Nobody will ever say that.
Come to Delhi.
What?
What?
No,
People are
garlic.
in denial.
No, babe, garlic didn't. Okay, sorry. Garlic smell different, but there's one that's like
Bro,
rancid.
body
Yeah.
odor, breath
When-
smell. Brush your fucking teeth when someone tells you.
Yes.
I'm like barfed in my mouth right now.
Dekha,
Yeah, no.
brush your teeth.
No, because of the conversation. babe.
I'm saying, bro, this is my biggest pet
Yeah.
peeve. Like, you are literally spewing hot shit air into my face right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Move
yeah.
away.
And those are the people who are the most confident while talking. They're like,
Oh,
yes.
No, they
Tell
do
me.
ASMR live.
And they come like 2 inches too close to you.
And I get so anxious. I feel like my body, at a point I'm like, कहीं मेरे से तो नहीं आ रही है ये. मैं एक काम
No, I'm
करती हूँ.
cocky like that. You manifest that shit, bro. Just be like, I'm not stinking. First
Huh.
of all, affirm to yourself.
Affirm.
Bad
I
breath.
think even people, sometimes you walk with people and they drag their feet. Like nobody told you that you're not supposed to do that.
Yeah.
Like you know, people who drag their feet
Yeah,
and
yeah,
walk.
yeah.
It's
Like,
very annoying.
Yeah.
Like you have this much. They should.
I
They
agree.
teach you that in
I
school.
agree. Guys, I don't know what walking lessons y'all are getting in school.
Even I
It
don't.
happened to us, yeah.
Wait, did you have like a moral science
What is
subject?
in moral
Moral
school?
You went to a convent
Oh,
school?
Did you
Value
value
education?
No, I was in co-ed day one, baby girl.
that's
You're so
why.
lucky.
I knew
Yeah.
from grade 6 man ain't shit. Literally, co-ed does that to you.
Fuck.
Yeah, I was in boarding school also.
Yeah.
Co-ed.
Oh my god.
What happened in
Oh.
6th standard then?
Nothing, bro. You start hitting puberty, you're like hormones. And
Uh-huh.
men also are like hormones. And you're like 14 साल के लड़के के लिए मुझे हॉट हो रहा है. कुछ गलत है इसमें. तब से आपको समझ आने लग जाता है कि ये नहीं करना
मैं
है.
बचपन से पीड़ो नहीं थी.
हाँ, मेरे को नहीं कर पीडो भी नहीं. मैं मैन लवर नहीं बनना चाहती हूँ बड़े होके. मेरा एक ही ड्रीम था, बट वो अनसक्सेसफुल है.
I know.
It's so sad to be
It's-
straight these days.
It's very sad.
It's depressing.
It's
bro.
the tale of a
is,
heterosexual
honestly.
woman.
Yeah.
Because नहीं है हमारे पास choice and this proves it.
No
Yeah.
choice. You are literally like stuck with a tall ass wall for your whole life that you
Wall.
can't change.
You cannot change.
No matter how Bob the builder you become, bro, nahi tootegi diwar.
Not that I want to be Bob the Builder, but they really don't change.
Yeah, they don't. Bro.
They don't. You know,
Nobody
I-
changes, bro. Not even like
No.
10-15%. They'll
No.
mask their shit and then they'll be back to their BS. That's men for you.
True.
I have been single after a very long time.
Love it.
I don't usually. I'm always in a relationship somehow.
We were asking for the past 2 years.
Yeah, and
Please take
right
a break.
now I am like I've been single for like a while, and I don't even feel like going on dating apps.
What's
at
a
this
while?
point. 3 months.
Awesome. 3 more wait कर ले please. मत करना किसी को wait 3 और महीने. कसम बता रही हूँ तुम्हारी life बदल जाएगी.
This coming from you, she will listen. But if
I
we
was
say it, she will not listen.
Please. 3 और महीने तू टिक जा ब्रो कि मैं सिंगल हूँ अब.
Done.
मिशन बना ले अपना.
Yes.
ठीक है और उसके बाद देख. ये सारा manifestation 10x हो जाएगा मैं बता रही
है
हूँ.
ना? Even
Nothing like man removal for your life's abundance. I'm telling you, are on the right track. So are you. Good. And you will be tomorrow.
But you understand this. You understand this also, na? Ke I was in your mode,
Yeah.
like men ain't shit, for
Yeah.
22 years.
Yeah.
I know.
Awesome. Awesome mode to be in, bro.
But then
then after 22 years, you start
like-
feeling a little bit that you need
No,
it,
you
right?
would do,
Especially for
honestly.
her first.
I agree. You should experiment. No problem. But please treat it like an experiment. It
And
has
then
a
stop
50%.
the
Yeah.
experiment.
Just stop. कि मेरे
Yeah.
को रिजल्ट मिल गया ये बकचोदी है मुझे नहीं करना है ये ठीक है
so सारे experiment का result अगर बकचोदी ही है, तो फायदा क्या experiment
Oh my
का?
god, I feel like a love guru. This is all I've ever wanted.
Okay.
Well,
I'll tell you what changed in my dating life. Okay,
Okay.
we're diverting.
fair,
please.
please do it.
I was dating again like you for 6 months, 6 years consecutively. Somebody, not the same guy,
Of
obviously.
course.
Yeah.
And then
What
I
was
took
the
a break.
longest
All
that
2 years. I'm dead serious.
longest break?
वही बता रही हूँ. So my last relationship before the one I'm in right now, I took a 1-year break after breaking up with that guy.
Okay.
I was down bad, bro, because I didn't know how to be by myself. I was like, this is fucking crazy. I don't know what to do with myself. And then I took that break. 3 months in, bro, my life changed. I was
Yeah.
like, I know exactly what I want in a man.
Yeah.
Like I am not budging on these 10 things. And even if they're fucking conceited कि 6-5 होगा वो, तो वो होगा bro, क्यों नहीं होगा वो? मेरी भी तो कोई choice है ना इधर, ये थोड़ी कि जो मिल रहा है वो
Of
लपेट लो.
course,
exactly.
Sale season नहीं है ना यहाँ पे, मुझे fresh चाहिए.
और लड़के कभी करते हैं compromise?
नहीं भाई.
नहीं करते. नहीं करते.
Bro, honestly, I made that list. I waited for 6 months more. I didn't go on any dates, nothing, didn't entertain any guy. And let's be honest, I'm fucking gorgeous. I had a lot of them come by.
Of
Yeah.
course.
And now I'm semi-locally famous also. So more.
Yum.
You
Yeah.
know? But I waited, you know. And I spent so much time with myself that I realized कि अगर मेरे पास ये 10 चीजें नहीं होंगी, I will not date because I don't want to experiment anymore. I know this will not work for me.
Yeah.
I went on one date with one guy from a dating app, just one guy, and now I'm dating him. Because tick, 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 tick,
Wow,
tick,
you
tick.
met him on a dating app.
Yeah.
How
so
cute.
cute.
Wow.
Love. So
Yeah.
I have been single for a little more than a year.
Mm-hmm.
And now when I have like a checklist in my mind,
Yeah.
I had the same checklist before as well.
Yeah.
But I was very lenient with it. I had so many, like, I had my non-negotiables, but I
Yeah.
used to negotiate on them.
Exactly.
But now I'm like, even they tease me about it. They're like, yeah, the next guy you end up seeing seriously is going to be your husband.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Because like,
But I
I'm
feel it
not
though.
entertaining shit. Like,
Yeah.
I don't have the bandwidth to entertain shit.
Why
now.
should you? You're
Yeah.
busy. You're equally busy.
Yeah.
And you're
Yeah.
I can vouch, I don't know you guys that well. I've just
Mhm.
entered this room.
Mhm.
But just with the premonition that you are women, that's all I need to know here. I know for a fact your list will not be full of shit. Ki
Yeah.
He should be rich and he should be thin and this is not on your
Genuinely
list.
never.
No.
Right?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
So you're not being dicks here. You're saying
Yeah.
I am a person of value and I deserve to be treated as such.
I
The
need
fuck?
a match. I need a proper match. I'm not going to date anyone
Why
lesser
are we
than me.
downplaying ourselves? That is
Yeah.
rude to yourself.
Also, I
don't
saw
think that's
somebody
bitchy.
say this recently. If just imagine you have $10 million in your account.
Yeah.
Do you still want him?
Bro, exactly.
Like,
Oh.
or if you don't want him, then you're bored. If you still want him, then sure. But if you don't, then you're fucking bored.
I'd also like to really commend you guys. Like, I feel like not just the money thing, of course, like, absolutely, that's a great marker to check whether you like someone or not.
Yeah.
But the fact that you have each other, right? And I'm telling you this as someone who's dated around and who's been around the block and who's met men who are absolute dickheads, for the lack of
Yeah.
a better word.
Yeah.
Bro, you need a support system to come back to,
Yeah.
even when you're going out with men. And this scares men off, scares shitty men
Oh.
off. If your boyfriend
Yes.
hates your friend, your boyfriend is clinical. This is literally
That is so
gospel
true.
truth.
Yeah.
True.
If they hate your best friend, and if your best friend's like, listen, I'm getting an off vibe, bro, believe her.
Yeah.
Believe
That's
her.
always been the case.
Always.
for all of
Literally,
us.
literally. So you will
Always.
never go down this rabbit hole of, oh fuck, I got really fucked by this
Yeah.
man, you know,
Yeah.
because you have people to shove sense in your brain.
Yeah.
And you only
And
met
with-
Appu what, like 2-3 years ago?
3 years back. Yeah, wow, you've really done it.
You're scaring me, dude.
I love it. I love it. I feel important. I feel so important.
embarrassed.
I'm so happy you know, and now you know more. Please keep at it. I love this.
Yeah,
Oh my god.
that's really sweet though.
Yeah,
But
it's
like,
so cute.
the thing, I think with any like girlfriend group,
Yeah.
if one of us is dating like a shitty man or is like seeing a shitty man, the other three will clock that shit from a mile away.
Yeah.
Even though the fourth friend isn't,
Mhm.
and she has to take her time to figure it out. You
Of
know,
course. Yeah,
we
you
give-
have to give them
we
the
give them
space
the
to
time.
Of
like
course. Of
fall
course.
flat on their
Okay, let me
face.
tell you.
Multiple
Okay, this
times.
weekend something really shitty happened.
Tell.
Okay, and I was waiting for a phone call. Okay,
You were waiting for a phone
I
call.
was waiting.
Do you live in the hills and you were waiting for
She was
reception?
waiting for a letter actually from a pigeon.
Yeah. Seems like it. Okay, so you were
And-
waiting for a phone call.
And these two had left, and she thought, okay, I'm gonna be home for a while now.
Acha.
So I was, because I was not, I could not go home at this
Hmm,
time.
hmm.
I was at her house,
Hmm.
and she stopped talking to me for 1.5 hours until I got that phone call. She didn't talk to me because she knew, because the way I am, okay,
Yeah.
she knew that I wouldn't want her to talk and contaminate what's going on in my head.
Yeah.
I wanted to do it on my own terms, and she knew that full well. If I was somebody, if I was say Dhritika,
Yeah.
Dhritika would want to talk about it.
Yeah.
She knew I didn't.
Yeah.
So she was on her Candy Crush, bro. She
Yeah.
was on that
Level
shit.
800.
But I too khel, bro.
And I was watching Modern Family, and we had that sense that, okay, I know you're not talking to me for this reason, and
Yeah.
she also had that sense that I'm giving you this space because I
Yeah.
know you want it.
Yeah.
So that there was that understanding.
See?
It just comes. Never a man would.
And
A man would never do that.
Then
He can't.
once the call finally happened.
Oh yeah. So wait. So I did do the call, right? And then I looked at her, and she looked at me. We burst out laughing.
What are you gonna do? In that moment, what are you gonna do? I'd clock her. You laughed about it. Awesome. You know, victory for everyone in the room.
Because she didn't expect me to do so well.
Yeah, you did well.
I did
She was
well.
too good.
Yeah.
I love that.
And because of him, I was like, oh my god, this guy. मतलब तू झूठ बोलने के तो
Yeah.
efforts लेना यार.
Yeah, bro.
Because you had a look that you were like, I knew this would happen, and she was like, I knew you knew that this would happen, but we had to live through it.
I love that. Bro, sometimes just do it for the plot.
वो 2
Yeah.
घंटे की हमारी ट्रिप थी.
हाँ अच्छी बात है ना. देख बट उसका मिशन देख रही है तू, वो कितनी डिसिप्लिन्ड है. उसका कैंडी क्रश खेला नहीं
श्रेयम को
वाला.
सृष्टि बहुत पसंद आई
भाई
है.
उसका कैंडी कैंडी
कभी
क्रश ब्रो. सोच भाई, men will come and go. Candy crush
Candy
forever.
Crush
Candy
is
Crush
there.
will stay
But
forever.
I'm really proud of you for giving it back. Huh?
Thank you.
Good on you, and good on you guys for having each other. Cause listen,
Thank you. Touch wood, man.
Men ain't shit.
Yeah, men ain't shit.
Yeah.
Not at all. Never.
Yeah.
Talking about the manners, you just spoke something about the breath thingy, and it
Yeah.
reminded me one of the things my ex used to do. He would eat like a full meal breakfast without brushing
Ew.
his teeth first.
See, I do that also.
What?
I do that also.
Do that too.
Right? I do that also.
Yeah.
I
I
eat
find
without
it
brushing.
Sometimes I
find
get
it
bored.
Yeah, same, bro.
I
Literally.
find it bizarre.
I eat. I eat.
don't
I love
feel
my
in your
mouth, bro.
throat?
What do you mean? Hello.
And then once I was like really forcing him, like, this is like very unhygienic. I am not serving you food before you
Why
like
were you serving him food?
because we are living together. And
I want to talk about this.
no,
It's like she doesn't like you as much.
I want to talk about this. What happened to
I
Candy
love
Crush?
cooking. I love cooking.
Hey, do it for yourself. And you have so many people to cook for. What do you mean?
I think they were committed and all, yeah.
I want to respect it, but somehow,
And he
You
really,
can't.
it's not
like,
coming.
he really like appreciated my cooking, really liked it.
Wow.
Which is why I felt like
Oh my god. You really thought that would make it better for me? He appreciated my cooking.
Yeah.
Who the fuck are you, Sanjeev Kapoor?
To be fair, he's an ex now.
I love that. Awesome.
Yeah.
That
Yes.
brought me back. See,
Yes.
that's how you bring
Yeah.
me back. Not he appreciated my cooking.
I got you.
Oh my Allah, bro. What was that? What was that?
Are you one of those girls that are okay to talk about like pooping?
100%. I take a shit all the fucking time. Most of my videos are from the pod.
I know
guys.
somebody in this room that doesn't.
Talk about pooping or doesn't
Yeah,
poop?
doesn't like to talk about pooping.
Yes, who? Our producer, Maitre.
You don't like poops?
She gets icked
She
out.
gets icked out when talking about poops.
Yeah.
One second. You actually don't like pooping?
She's a girl, no? She doesn't poop.
I'm just not talking about it. That's
first time she
awesome.
said that.
That is so good.
First time she
That
said
was
that.
brave.
I love
Very
that.
nice.
See, awesome. See, people are moving things in life. They
Yeah.
are pooping once a day.
Bowels are being moved, Srishti.
Literally, I am so proud of you, bro. It's so hard to poop in this economy, bro. Can someone talk about that?
No, but like for real, I
every
either
day.
poop really well or I don't poop.
There is lack of fiber, भाई. इसके बारे में बात करो. ये pressing concern
It's
है.
because you are eating too much protein. That's why.
मुझे नहीं पता क्यों.
It
But
is
है.
that. I'm telling you.
मुझे नहीं पता ये प्रोटीन के बारे में.
एक सेकंड मुझे देख के लगता है मुझे प्रोटीन का ये फक्स है. एक सेकंड चलो अब इसके बारे में बात करते हैं है ना 2 मिनट.
ठीक है.
अब बंदे को देख के वो तो कर सकते हैं ना जज
Judge कर सकते
प्रोटीन
हैं, हाँ,
ये
बिल्कुल.
सोचता होगा प्रोटीन के बारे में.
Yeah, that's
Men
only
bro.
what he thinks about protein.
Men हाँ मे बी ये ज्यादा कुछ करता नहीं है. सुपर यू खाता है बढ़िया.
या फिर
holiday,
protein या
है
फिर
ना?
creatine.
हाँ बस Sorry Karthik, this was not for you and I just want to say we will move on. Can we talk about Karthik Aryan like this or no?
Karthik. Oh,
I thought you were naming your boyfriend.
No, you.
And I was like, you want to book
I
that?
would never ever
Okay.
date a man called Karthik.
Yeah, no,
Thank
Karthik.
fucking
Another
God.
mannerless thing hitting on 17-year-olds. Karthik.
Absolutely.
Very.
Not okay, Karthik.
Yeah.
That's,
That's-
weird.
Two coins of a man. Like two sides of a coin, but the coin is a man.
Yeah.
Protein and preteen.
I like it. I'm here for I'm living. I will
It
get
is-
this made and give it to you guys.
Yeah.
We need merch that says that.
Protein or preteen?
Oh my god, no.
Don't do that.
That's a horrible
I just
business
heard
idea.
It. I just heard it. I'm sorry. Oh my god.
Listen, a
Not
girl
acceptable.
can think. A girl can think.
Why
It's
not
a
allowed to?
brain shit. It's important.
It's a brain fart.
brain poop.
It's a brain fart.
It's a brain poo. You pooped. It was
Pee pee
more
poo
than
poo. Oh my god, I have a theory.
Tell now.
Tell.
Okay. Poop, food,
Hmm.
masturbation, sex, and sleep.
Hmm.
These are the 5 things that give you the most satisfaction if done well.
Not having a 80 kilo booge on you. One more thing. Singlehood.
Singlehood.
Single. Okay, rank them.
But yeah, rank these 5.
I forgot only now all of what you
Poop?
said. हाँ.
Masturbation,
हाँ.
sex,
Masturbation meaning what? Good masturbation or ऐसी random?
8
Good.
or above.
8 or
Oh.
above.
That's hard.
Okay.
Okay. Fine.
Food
Hmm.
and sleep.
Food, sleep, sex, masturbation and क्या बोल रहे हैं हम?
Singlehood.
Singlehood. अच्छा, बढ़िया.
No!
यार उसमें
Poop.
कुछ और
Poop,
बोल. Poop.
food, masturbation, sex, sleep.
Masturbation.
Yeah. Yeah.
भाई sorry.
Obviously.
Sorry भाई stress है ठीक है. Sorry लाडले stress हो रहा है.
And no need for nobody.
हाँ भाई literally कमरा लॉक करो है ना. बत्तियां बुझाई जाए. ठीक है masturbation. पहला तो ये हो गया. ठीक है. दूसरा अब मैं ये बोल सकती हूँ पहले नहीं होता था sex है ना.
Okay.
अब sex हो गया वो. Third है मेरा poop for sure. Bro, non-negotiable. I don't like being bloaty and gassy. I am sorry. Bro, sue me.
Yeah,
ठीक है, sue me,
true.
sue me. फिर आ गया अपना food और फिर आ गया अपना sleep. हाँ. But needy time is also
Also
important.
very important.
But
But
single
singlehood
क्या
last आ
करूँगा?
गया आपका फिर.
यार चलो sex से पहले singlehood बोलूंगी मैं.
हाँ fair.
Masturbation, singlehood, sex, poop, food, sleep. ये है मेरा. ये है मेरा order.
Good take.
है ना?
Yeah, good, very good.
I have all great takes, bro. You will find out.
Shit.
Yeah, you have great takes in the podcast that you choose to come a guest on.
Right?
Gag it.
But sorry, you were saying something and I think we cut you off about
no, that only that.
brushing.
Yeah, and then once I was like, if you don't brush, I'm not giving you food. And then he was like, ठीक है करके आता हूँ. And then he
भागने जा रहा है क्या?
ये लोग हैं हमारी आर्मी में. बता मैं सबको बताना चाहूंगी आदमियों को हम लेकर आ रहे हैं. डरते हो औरतों से ही है. ठीक है करके आ रहा हूँ. भाई हमें हायर करो एट सीनियर रोल्स, दुनिया बदल जाएगी तुम्हारी, ठीक है? आज जंग खेलेंगे ये लोग।
और वो गया और वो एकदम फटाक से आ गया, मतलब जल्दी से आ गया।
I don't trust he brushed his teeth well.
बंटी
तो then I asked him कि तूने सच बता, तूने ब्रश किया कि नहीं?
सच बता।
तो उसने कहा कि अरे हाँ किया मैंने। तो मैंने बोला ब्रश लाके दिखा, अगर वो गीला होगा तो मैं मान लूंगी।
मॉम
और हम लोग में रेस हो रही है कि बाथरूम कौन पहले पहुंचेगा और देखेगा कि ब्रश गीला है कि नहीं। तब तक मतलब मैंने
अगर वो
That's your answer.
पर अगर वो रेस कर रहा है,
That's your
यानी
answer.
वो
I
झूठ
know
बोल
it.
रहा है,
I
तो
know
तू
it.
रेस क्यों
But
कर
then
रही है?
she's
But
playing
then
along.
he was doing like, हाँ, smell me. And no, we are dating, bro. And then he did smell minty. So
Oh
Who is
my
Minty?
God.
Who the fuck is Minty?
Who is Minty यार? मिंटी कौन है? मिंटी है क्या यहाँ पे? Sorry.
मेरे दिमाग के 4 सेल थे, अब 2 हैं।
1 2 3
हाँ, अब 2 हैं गाइस, ठीक है? अब 2 हैं, क्योंकि इसमें अगेन आप पहले स्टोरी बताओ, मैं आपको फॉलो अप बाद में पूछूंगा, ठीक है? आप पहले स्टोरी बता दो।
फिर मैंने उसको पूछा कि मतलब ब्रश तो तेरा सूखा हुआ है, तूने क्या किया? तो फिर
Dry brushing.
मैंने बस लिस्ट्रीन किया, like he's just like
कुल्ली करके बाहर आ गया वो, बेसिकली खाना उसको खाना था। और ये लोग ये हमारा शासन चला रहे हैं आदमी लोग, है ना? उसको भूख लगी थी,
मर्द-जात।
बेंचोर, उसने कुल्ली कर ली वो, और वो भागम दौड़ी कर रहे हैं घर के अंदर। मैं सबको एक्सप्लेन करना चाहूंगी यहाँ पे हुआ क्या है। देखो बेटा, मैं आपसे बड़ी हूँ, है ना? देखो पता है आपके पॉडकास्ट का नाम बेशरम है, मैं मानती हूँ ब्रो। ये कुल्ली लिस्ट्रीन भागने वाली बात है ना, आप स्लीप ओवर पे कर लो, है ना? जरूरी है मुझे
You
बताना?
like our comments?
क्या मैं बस बता रही हूँ, लाइक अच्छी बातें हैं ये यार। पता है मैंने तुम्हें ढूंढा ही वैसे था, जब तुम लोग मीम बन गए थे ना, मुझे वो
course,
बहुत सही
हमेशा
ब्रो,
Which one,
मुझे
which
funny
one?
लगा था।
Which
मेरा
one?
जो मेरा भाई छोटा वो adopted
अरे
है भाई, वो बहुत बढ़िया था। तू कभी embarrass मत होना, तू इसके बारे में हो जा, अभी हुआ है ये कुल्ली है ना, बट वो भाई के बारे में मत हो ना। पता है ये मेरे दिमाग में रहेगी अब बात। आपने
हमारे-
दिल पे फुटप्रिंट छोड़ा है मेरे।
नहीं, you don't understand, क्योंकि ये क्या 1.5 year इसको डेट कर रही थी, ये स्टोरी हमने भी नहीं सुनी है।
Yeah.
भाई
It's
कुछ
always
चीजें
after
मैं
the
बता
breakup that come out.
It's not just breakup, it's my energy also. People think they can say anything and I will not judge them. I am judging you a little bit. I have to be honest.
for the guy or
नहीं यार, आप भाग रहे थे ना। ये भी तो है, हम इसको भी अकाउंट में लेते हैं जरा 1 सेकंड के लिए। मतलब एक तो आप खाना बना रहे हो, फिर आप पूछ रहे हो ब्रश गीला है। नहीं करो ना ये सब अपने साथ। अच्छा है भाई, तू कैंडी क्रश खेल, पता है? तुम लोग क्यों रोक रहे हो भाई उसको? वो कुछ अच्छा कर रही थी जो नहीं खेल रही।
इसको लिस्ट बनाने देता है फिर।
हाँ भाई, तू लिस्ट बना ब्रो। वो धोता हो, ब्रश करता हो, सो भाई सब डाल अपनी लिस्ट में।
Yeah.
Manifestation.
Non-negotiable.
हाँ भाई, नॉन
Should brush before eating.
ब्रशेस, बस सिंपल रख।
the first thing that they asked me after the breakup was like कि वो क्या करता था ऐसा जिससे तेरे को बहुत गुस्सा आता था और तू तभी हमको बता नहीं पाया। मैंने यही बोला था उनको।
लिस्ट्रीन वाली बात ये
नहीं, उसने बोला था ये ब्रश नहीं करता।
बिना ब्रश किए सुबह सुबह खाना खा नहीं करता है वो ब्रश,
कभी नहीं किया। सॉरी, हमें पता नहीं था बड़े भाई।
पर
होटल वाले ब्रश यूज करता है ये।
पर बिना ब्रश किए खाना खाता है वो। बस आई यूज्ड टू गेट
यार वो मैं भी खाती हूँ, बट मेरे पीछे कोई भागता नहीं है। ये है बात।
No, but only my mom has done that.
What, run after you?
No, just check my brush.
Bro, that's all moms। मैं वही तो बोल रही हूँ, मॉमी क्या हो रहा था बेटा उधर?
नहीं, genuinely ये वाइफ बन जाती है बीच बीच में।
I love that energy though, but only with the right man.
Yeah.
Not this
Otherwise you're
mom.
just a mom.
Yeah,
वो
you're just a
नहीं
mother.
समझ आता मुझे कि कौन सा राइट वाला है, किसके लिए बनना
तू
है।
मन में सोच।
6 महीने उसको देने ना।
मत बोल।
हाँ, अभी
ये
मत
advice
सोच।
मत दे।
3 महीने और रुक जाओ आप,
हाँ,
उसके बाद ऐसे मन में सोचना।
Yeah.
जो एनर्जी आती है ना अंदर से, abundant टाइप लग रहे हो आप मुझे, विम्जी है ना?
हाँ।
तो दिल की सुनो,
बहुत abundant है।
दिल की सुनो, ऐसे नहीं किसी की भी।
वही
कोई
तो
भी आ
करती
गया।
आ रही है।
तो फिर इनकी सुनना।
Yes,
दिल
exactly.
की छोड़ दो,
Thank you.
इनकी सुन लो। ये तो मैं बता देंगे, अच्छे
Yes.
लोग लग रहे हैं मुझे अभी तक।
Very, thank you. Thank
चलो।
you.
या आप इनकी थेरेपिस्ट हो?
यार मेरे को लग रहा है अभी, है ना? मुझे बुरा ही लगा, मैंने दिल भर आया ब्रो मेरा ये बात सुन के।
अच्छा, what was the do you have anything
Follow up.
comparable that you did
Yeah.
for a man?
For a man,
Like,
Yeah.
what's your worst experience that has been with a man?
ऐसे मत सोचना कि मैं सोच रही हूँ कि है भी या नहीं, बहुत सारे मैं सोच रही हूँ
कौन सा वाला बताओ?
Comparative.
अरे एक बताती हूँ, बढ़िया स्टोरी
बोलो,
है, ठीक
बोलो।
है, ये बहुत ही बढ़िया स्टोरी है, अगर तुम देख रहे हो तो तुम मर जाओ, ठीक है। तुम्हें पता होगा तुम कौन हो एग्जैक्टली 2 मिनट।
Yeah.
तो एक बंदा था, ठीक है, मैं उसको डेट करी थी और मुझे सबने बोला मत करो ये, मैंने बोला ऐसा है,
अब तो करूंगी.
आई एम लिटरली gonna do whatever the hell I want to do because
Yeah.
free will.
Same.
Bro, it was bad. I started dating and he was my friend initially. I was like, cool, whatever, fun vibes. Haha, best friend vibes. Oh, awesome, awesome. Same energy. भागम दौड़ी हो रही है सब. ठीक है? और-
पकड़म पकड़ाई
और
चल रही है.
literally, वो ऊंच नीच का पापड़ा ये सब हो रहा है, ठीक है, और हम लोग
ऊंच नीच का पापड़ा.
you guys haven't played ऊंच नीच का पापड़ा?
No. Is that a Dalit?
Is it Ao Meena?
No,
I
that's
think it's
Aumilo in Delhi. Aumilo.
Ah.
That's Aumilo.
Oh.
चलो जिसको समझ आ गया ऊंच नीच का पापड़ा, वेरी गुड. मेरे को एक्सप्लेन भी नहीं करना आता क्योंकि
It's fine.
It's
It's
okay.
fine.
It's okay.
So I started dating this guy, and for 6 months he wouldn't like commit to me. Okay,
Huh.
he was like, I don't want to be exclusive. I don't want any labels. So I was like, fine, then let's open the relationship up. I was in my hottie era, bro. Like I was training to be a CrossFit athlete.
So now.
So then I find out the whole time he's been sleeping with his ex. The whole fucking relationship of 6 months, he's been boning her straight and crazy and calling me his muboli behan. Gagged, bro, jaw dropped on the floor, rolled in some mud, and then
So
put back in my
This
mouth.
is what only she knows, or this is what the world knows
What
of
that-
you.
of me, matlab?
मतलब
Like,
दुनिया को वो मुंह बोली बहन
only
या सिर्फ
her,
उसको.
only her, because I used to hang with all his friends, right?
Oh my
And his brother and everyone involved. So like only
So
and
family was
everyone was
involved.
blindsided.
Oh.
We were family friends. What can you do?
Oh, fuck.
It doesn't end there, guys. I burped in the middle, but it
Say,
doesn't
say.
end.
Love about you.
I took him back.
Oh.
Yeah, I was not this bitch earlier. I was not this bitch.
How old were
And
you?
then he cheated, 22. And then he cheated on me again. And this time he had a whole
course.
family. Like that a girl who he was gonna move in with and everything.
Like he had kids?
Kasam, bro. I don't know that.
What the fuck?
I hope he doesn't have kids. Because that would be so embarrassing.
actual?
सच्ची मुच्ची भाई, कसम बता रही हूँ भाई. तुम लोगों को तूने सब पढ़ लिया, ये नहीं पढ़ा है. तो मैं सबसे ज्यादा बोलती हूँ Instagram पे.
नहीं ये मैंने सुना है.
है ना, सुना है ना?
कुत्ती जनानी इसमें.
हाँ,
लेकिन
हाँ.
वो
Snippet.
एक लाइन में बोला था फिर.
बट ये
इतना
हुआ है.
डिटेल में नहीं पता था
हाँ,
मुझे.
और मैं बॉम्बे में ही थी जब मेरा लास्ट ब्रेकअप हुआ उसके
था
साथ.
क्या है?
Crazy town. था
That
वो.
is insane. The family part is mad.
Bro,
I
he
am
was gonna move in with a chick, and she like, and both times I found out via Instagram. I love Instagram. It's my career and my news portal. Amazing.
I really like
That is
Instagram.
insane.
It's too
No.
good.
Yeah.
I got Hey Girl twice.
Hey girl.
Oh my.
Hey girl, I've been sleeping with him. That's what happened to me.
But
2
if they
times.
know.
Bro, they didn't know because I didn't post with him because he was fugly as fuck. So I was like, iska sir chupa ke hi
You
main
like
डालती
fugly man.
No, it's like a
हूँ. Can't say
canon
that now,
event.
yaar.
अच्छा.
I dated one eye candy. He was crazy. Then I'm with a cute, nice boy.
But like dating an ugly man is also a phase that you can't skip. I feel.
Bro, I lost 45 kgs, ठीक है, तो मुझे मेरी वैल्यू नहीं पता थी उस टाइम. और फिर मैंने सबसे भद्दा आदमी जो मुझे दिखा कि तू पता है क्या है, तू चिकन लिटिल जैसा दिखता है. मैं तुझे डेट कर लेती हूँ फटाफट तुरंत के हिसाब से. और फिर तो मेरे पे 2 बार चीट करना, ये हुआ था.
Chicken Little के साथ हुआ था ये.
It's chicken littles only who cheat twice.
Yeah, bro. You
Yeah.
can't handle all this. This is too much for someone as
Yeah.
ugly as that. Like, it was
Yeah.
crazy. All
Was he
along.
short?
I mean, shorter than my current boyfriend, yeah.
But your current boyfriend's quite tall.
6'5".
I love that.
He
You're
is a
so,
wall.
You're so overwhelmed with his presence. I love that. I love that you seem happy.
I'm
with
very
it.
happy.
Yeah.
That is
I'm
amazing.
very, very
That's
happy.
that's good.
That's
That's
amazing.
good, man.
Only man-hating man I know, and I couldn't be happier. than
Oh,
I am.
he's a
Oh!
misandrist.
He hates man. He's just like, first of all, आप क्यों हो? Second of all, मैं आप जैसा क्यों हूँ? मतलब वो इसी
Oh.
Does he have
असमंजस में-
sisters?
No.
Oh, I
That's
see.
the first.
Yeah. He wasn't raised in India, that's why.
Hmm.
Oh,
So
okay.
he's pretty chill like that.
Makes
Very
sense.
nice. Very nice.
Nice. Very happy for you.
Yeah, better than
Yeah.
Chicken Little. Bro, you just need like them sometimes.
You need
Honestly,
them.
like
You
I,
need them
for the longest time, yeah, I didn't have parents who were my friends. I had parents who were parents. You know, my
Yeah.
mom was super strict. I grew up in that environment. Like I went to boarding school.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And I'm the oldest, right? So they didn't even have a lot of experience raising a girl who's like me. Because for them,
Yeah.
women are like elegant or whatever, and
Mhm.
I'm
Yeah.
none of that at all. So it really shook my core also.
Hmm.
कि भाई मेरे पास माँ बाप नहीं जो मेरे दोस्त हैं. अब मुझे लगता है भाई मेरे कोई दोस्त नहीं है, मेरे सिर्फ माँ बाप हैं जो मेरे दोस्त हैं.
Wow, that's what happens after 25.
Yeah.
Frontal lobe.
Bro, I think they grew up with me, you know, and I love that.
And
कि
that's what
भाई,
you gotta keep reminding yourself that your parents also grow.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
their parents, but they're still
They're
human.
they're still
people.
human beings.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Yeah. And you need to stop putting them on a fucking pedestal.
Yeah.
Bro, 100%. I
Yeah.
think you should traumatize the living shit out of your parents.
Yeah, a little bit.
Your
You need
siblings
to
will thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
You will thank your past self.
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
way I am grateful to 16, 17, 18-year-old me who was like,
Yeah.
आप मम्मी पापा हो गए, मैं आपसे बहुत प्यार करती हूँ, बट अब
I have a
आपका
life
ज्यादा
of
हो
my
रहा है,
own.
ठीक
हाँ.
है ना?
That's so
Yeah.
अब
sad.
आपका ज्यादा हो रहा है.
मैं तो वही
I
करूंगी
was-
जो मुझे करना है.
And I did
मैं तो
it.
करूंगी.
Bro, all my decisions are like, कैसे बोलूँ, socially disappointing decisions. ठीक है?
Yeah.
I
But
dropped
they
out
are
of
your
college.
own.
I dropped out of college. I am this for a living, you know.
Yeah.
Dated many men.
Yeah.
I am fat. So I have a lot of parameters that they didn't necessarily understand.
Out of
कि-
the norm.
out of the norm, out of the rule
Yeah.
book, basically.
Yeah.
But they all fucking changed my life, like overnight, you know. So I'm
True.
really proud of that. I think it's
Yeah.
awesome, and it helps them understand you better.
And also
Yeah.
like it gives you so much assurity for yourself कि मेरे सारे decisions मेरे ही है.
Exactly.
Yeah.
तो अगर fuck up हुआ तो
It's
मेरी ही
mine.
responsibility है.
Exactly.
And
it's
after a
mine.
point, you're like, bro, I need to stop lying to them and myself. Because
100%.
how long am I going to live a life of lies?
Exactly.
You know, because even
Exactly.
I grew up in a family where my parents were like not that strict to the point where they didn't let me live.
yeah.
But they were like, okay, you know, you gotta be disciplined.
Hmm.
But now, like, I'm a lot more open with my parents. And if
Same.
I'm fucking up, I will tell them. If
Yeah,
I fucked up,
same.
I will tell them. And yesterday, we'd gone out for dinner, and something came up. I was talking about a friend who's seeing someone.
Mhm.
And they were like, oh, are you seeing someone? And I was like, no, I mean, if I was, you would know.
Yeah.
Like, I wouldn't hide that from you.
Yeah.
And that's happened in the past. Like, I've
Yeah.
introduced my
Yeah.
whatever
Yeah,
in the
yeah, yeah.
past. So, like, they know that that'll happen.
Yeah.
And they're like, oh, so you mean to say every time you'll fuck up, we should be okay with it? And I'm like,
Hmm.
yeah.
Basically.
Yeah.
You know, what else are we here for?
Yeah.
Unconditional love
The-
किसको बोलता है फिर?
Exactly.
And so on my phone, I have like my vision board for 2026. And there's like a quote which says, make love, make money, make art, make out.
Yeah.
And my mom's like, make love?
Make out?
Make love?
किसके साथ make love कर
Make
रहे हो
out is fine. She's...
She her dad caught her.
Oh.
Yeah.
सॉरी अंकल, मैंने थोड़ी बोला था. उसने अपने आप किया है.
make love. I'm like, अरे मम्मा, you should love everyone.
Yeah, bro.
3 days back, I was telling my father to find me a boyfriend. I was like,
सच्ची में?
हाँ,
भाई तू उस लेवल पे आ गई.
genuinely.
मैं तेरे लिए बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ, पता है भाई. तू जो भी कर रही है ना, तू ठीक कर रही है bro.
then he was like कि तेरे को शर्म आ रहा है तो बाप को बोल रहे हैं अपने बॉयफ्रेंड ढूंढने. I was like, उसमें क्या है? आप ढूंढ के लाओगे, आप अच्छे से फैमिली देखोगे,
हाँ.
आप एजुकेशन देखोगे,
आप देखोगे वो
आप
ब्रश
देखो-
करता है या नहीं, है ना?
Your dad will spell his breath for
Bro,
you.
if your man goes up to your dad and goes like, ha, bro, I'll marry him.
Yeah, straight
Because
up, bro.
I'm-
पापा मेरी जहाँ हूँ bro, यहाँ पे हो रहा है bro, सही है ना? बढ़िया कर दिया है तू. अच्छा फिर अंकल ने क्या बोला जब तूने बोला?
then he was like कि ठीक है तो बॉयफ्रेंड क्यों, पति क्यों नहीं? मैंने बोला हेलो होल्ड ऑन.
भाई थांबा इजी.
Exactly.
How'd you know, babe?
तो मेरे को आता है कांदा, थांबा,
She's Marathi, that's why.
I'm
कटका है नो, है ना?
What is
कटका
कटका?
also also.
What's कटका?
पोछा you say कटका नो, झाड़ू
Oh,
पोछा.
झाड़ू
फटका.
फटका.
इसको पता होगा.
हाँ, जो
फड़का,
मर्जी यार, हम तो पोछा बोलते हैं, हमें क्या पता भाई.
पोछा ही बोलता है.
हाँ, मैं तो कोशिश कर रही हूँ bro, guys cut me some slack, है ना?
चलो cut. Slack is cut.
Thank you.
And then he was like कि पति क्यों नहीं? तो मैंने बोला exactly easily.
Hmm.
And then he was like कि ठीक है तो मतलब बॉयफ्रेंड क्यों चाहिए था? I'm like फिर मैं 4-5 साल रहूंगी और फिर मैं सोचूंगी ना कि मुझे शादी करनी है कि नहीं. And then my mom goes like अच्छा तो फिर शादी के बाद अगर तेरा नहीं जमा तो वापस आ जाएगी. तो then my dad was like हाँ तो उसके बाप का घर है, कभी भी आएगी.
Clock that,
Aw,
uncle.
that is
Salute,
so
tip my hat to you if I was wearing one. That is so cool.
I know.
I love dads like that. bro.
That is very cute.
Sorry भाई, मैं एडजस्ट नहीं कर पाऊंगी. Simple as that.
Exactly.
मेरी तो मम्मी
Why
ने मुझे
should
मना
you?
करा है bro. मैं नहीं, मेरे से होगा ही नहीं bro.
मम्मी ने एडजस्ट करने को मना करा
हाँ
है.
भाई, मम्मी सेट मत करो एडजस्ट भाई.
Same.
पेंटिंग थोड़ी हूँ भाई, उठा के एडजस्ट करवा दोगे मेरे को. वॉल आर्ट थोड़ी हूँ, इंसान हूँ ना मैं.
I love that.
Why?
मम्मी पापा ने कभी किसी चीज के लिए ना बोला ही नहीं
हाँ, तो
है.
तू कौन है bro?
Exactly.
बता, है ना?
Exactly.
I agree bro.
I feel like talking to you is like opening my third eye. It's almost like watching your second account, which I'm obsessed with. And I
Bro,
know
I'm so happy
अभी
about
तो
that.
मतलब मेरा पूरा पोल खुल चुका है.
मैं बहुत happy हूँ भाई.
मेरे फीड पर सिर्फ ये आती है.
पता है तू मेरे से 2 और मीठी बातें कर देगी ना मैं कपड़े उतारने लग जाऊँ. मेरे से प्यार से बात मत किया करो.
मुझे clearly जरूरत है उस
It's
चीज
like
की.
my frontal lobe is developing more as we speak.
I love
Yes,
that.
yes.
I think it might develop at 24 instead of
I love
25.
it. हाँ हो जाता है.
Yes.
I think इसलिए everyone should experience what I'm experiencing. Why don't you plug yourself one last time
Yeah, of
before we
course.
say bye?
Of course. Guys, I'm Shriyam. क्या ही ब्लग करूँ यार. सब तो सुन लिया तुमने. कुल्ला चिट्ठा, very honest.
Instagram handle or
Oh.
second account handle?
My Instagram is Shriyam. My second account is Shree's Crashing. My podcast is Kutti Jananis. And now I sound like a fucking sellout. But thank you for
Okay,
watching.
I'll do you one solid.
Bilkul.
They've got Kutti Janani merch, which is really gaggy.
Aw, thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah, we do. I forgot about that.
What are you doing, Shriyam?
What the hell?
Sorry.
Anyway.
But yeah, we also give them like an emoji to comment at the end of the video, so that we know that they
Bangan, bro. Straight up.
Bangan.
You got it.
Bangan
So
emoji.
while
Bangan.
you're at it, comment down the bangan ka emoji and also hit the subscribe button, the big red subscribe button. Like this video, share this video with everyone you know.
Everyone.
Shriyam fans, Shriyam non-fans, everyone.
Love
Non-fans you have.
No, nobody
No.
hates me.
No?
Exactly.
Everyone.
We will impose her onto you.
I'm
we'll
very
impose
lovable.
ourselves onto you.
I love it.
And
Yeah.
if you guys are watching us on Instagram ever, like our videos, share our reels, and follow us on Instagram. We are Besharam.
And if you're listening to us on Spotify, make sure you give us good ratings, 5 stars.
Is all we need.
All we need.
Yeah.
Until
Until
next time.